Have you ever opened your YouTube studio and realized that your subscribers has decreased massively? Like from 500 subscribers, you only saw 300 subscribers. And immediately you start wondering and panicking, like, what happened? What did I do? And all that. Now, this is something a lot of new creators experience. Not even just new creators, even the big creators, because these things happen, especially now in 2026. So if that sounds like you, hold up, because in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly why you experience or why you are experiencing a sudden drop in your subscribers and not understanding why. One thing a lot of creators don't realize is that not every subscribers on your channel is a real supporter, and also they are not a real viewer. They don't even watch your content, especially the subscribers that you get from your shorts. Maybe you uploaded a viral short and they saw the short and they just clicked and subscribe and that was it. They never went back to your channel to actually check out your videos, or they never opened your videos when your notification popped up. Nothing. They simply subscribe to your channel because of one thing. It could be a viral short that you posted, or a quote that you posted, or something that just, resonated with them at that moment. They subscribed and that was it. And this is happening a lot, especially for channels who are growing their subscribers through shorts. And some of the people that subscribe to your channel because of a viral short you posted, or because of one emotional moment from your short or something like that, eventually some of them do unsubscribe from your channel. And this happens a lot if what you are posting in your long form content is actually different from what you are posting in your shorts. So with time, some people do unsubscribe because they actually wasn't interested in what you have to offer. They just subscribe to your channel because of that viral clip that they saw, or whatever reason they subscribe in the first place. So as a creator, you have to understand that it is not every subscriber on your channel that is a real supporter, a loyal fan, or a loyal audience. Now, the second reason why you might be experiencing a sudden drop in your subscribers is because YouTube sometimes clean up their platforms, because YouTube does remove fake accounts, spammy accounts, and inactive profiles. So sometimes when you experience sudden drop in your subscribers, it is not necessarily because people started unsubscribing from your channel. It is also because YouTube is just doing their thing by cleaning up their platform. And this can affect everyone at some point in time. Now, let me address the real problem. One thing we should understand as creators is that dead subscribers can actually hurt your channel. Because if thousands of people subscribe to your channel, but they never watch your videos, automatically it's going to affect your click-through rate. And if your click-through rate drops, that automatically translates to YouTube reducing the rate in which they push your videos to new audience. So that means your videos will stop performing, your returning viewers will drop, and this is why sometimes you see that channels with smaller subscriber counts actually outperforms channels with thousands of subscribers. Now, subscribers matters, yes, but what matters most is how you got those subscribers. So if you bought those subscribers, that's a huge red flag. If those subscribers are coming mainly through random clips from your shorts, it's a huge problem for your long form content. Or if you got those subscribers from streaming viral clips and all that, like I did in my channel, I got a lot of subscribers from streaming animal videos that had nothing to do with my current niche. So I have subscribers from there, which is terribly affecting my long form content. So instead of focusing on subscribers, focus on the quality and the value you are giving in your video. From that alone, you can get loyal subscribers, loyal audience, people that will really look forward to your content. And this is how you can grow your channel effectively with the right people, with the right community that really love you, love your content, and they keep coming back for more. Another reason why creators lose subscribers is simply content confusion. Now, this is going into when you are posting different topics on one channel. Today you post cooking content. Tomorrow you're posting a vlogging content. Next tomorrow you are posting a motivational video. And then the other day you are talking about how you got 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, this can be very confusing to your audience. And eventually, people who subscribe for one thing, when they start seeing you coming up with random topics that does not align with their interest, they are simply going to unsubscribe from your channel. It's a logical thing to do. This is why I tell creators, stay in one place, pick one niche, and continue building on that. And another thing that can make your subscriber count drop is when you are engaging in sub for sub. I always say this, sub for sub is actually not the solution, because when you do sub for sub, it's like you are forcing people to subscribe to your channel whether they are interested in your content or not. And eventually, these people that just subbed on your channel without even engaging in any of your content, they never engage on your content, are eventually the inactive account on your channel that YouTube will eventually remove from your channel. I remember when I first started this channel, when I was trying to get my 1,000 subscribers. I was very new. I had no idea what I was doing. I also engaged in this sub for sub. And guess what? Let's say I managed to get 10 subscribers today from engaging in sub for sub in different comment sections and in different WhatsApp group. Yeah. So by the time I wake up the next morning, all the 10 subscribers I got today would have disappeared. So at the end of the day, I concluded that it wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth it at all, and it's still not worth it. If you find yourself desperate to get subscribers and you're engaging in such activities, please stop, because it's going to hurt your channel. There is no point forcing people to subscribe to your channel when they have no interest in your type of content. Rather, focus on evergreen content, content that people are really searching for, content that people want to watch, content that will make people subscribe to your channel because they don't want to miss your next video. That should be your focus. And guess what? One single video can actually get you all the subscribers you need. That is the funny thing about YouTube. You can be struggling to get subscribers for a whole month or even for 6 months, and then you post one video that goes viral, and guess what? You have more than 1,000 subscribers coming from one single video. You have more than 4,000 watch hours coming from one single video. So that is why I always say there is no button to press when it comes to going on YouTube. It's just about showing up every day consistently. Show up consistently and upload that video that you are hesitating to upload, because you never know which video is going to give you all these things that you are looking for. Because sometimes when we wait for a video to be perfect before we upload, that is where we actually miss our chance of going viral, or at least getting a good amount of views, subscribers, and watch hours from a single video. So if you recently experienced a sudden decrease in your subscribers, please don't panic. It is something that almost every creators go through this. Even the big creators with thousands of subscribers or millions of subscribers, they also experience a decrease in their subscriber counts every other day. It is normal for creators, especially here on YouTube. So don't panic. So if you are experiencing this right now, what you should do is to check your analytics, check if you have returning viewers, monitor your content. Are people still watching? Are they still engaging? So just don't panic, because what matters most is to have a handful of loyal subscribers that keeps coming back to watch your content than having millions of subscribers that have no interest in your content. That's why sometimes we see a channel with over 100k subscribers, but they barely get 1,000 views on their videos. So now, those numbers don't match, right? At least if you have 1 million if you have 1 million subscribers, right, you should be able to have at least 900k views on your videos. So if you don't have the right audience on your channel, it can affect your views and the performance of your videos. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel, and here I help new creators grow fast on YouTube the right way, and I help them avoid the mistakes I made on this particular channel so that they can reach their monetization goal faster. And if this video helps you in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and let me know in the comment section if you recently experienced decrease in your subscribers, because I did. I recently experienced this, and I thought to make this video so that if you are a new creator on YouTube and you are currently going through this, you will understand that it is not your fault. It is something that happens every now and then on every channel. So you are not alone. So that will be it from me today. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.